And we're back to CapCut. Let me show you a golden glow effect. We'll use this footage right here. Then we go to Effects, Video Effects, Retro. Scroll a little bit until you can find the retro blue. Click on the plus sign after you've downloaded it, and we want to go down with the filters fully to keep the richer colors. And then adjust blur, glow and sharpen depending on the footage that you've got. You can go to 50% or higher for each. It's totally fine for most clips. Now select the clip below and we'll go to adjustments right here. Adjust, make sure the box is checked, and then we go up with the temperature. Around 20 should be fine here. Tint, we don't need that much, just a little bit. And saturation, around 10 to 15 maybe. You also want to go up with the exposure, the contrast and the highlights. The exact values depend once again on the footage. And for shadows, I even want to go down a little bit here. And that's about it. Let us compare it to the original. And you can see we get this typical warm glow, almost golden hour. So what you need is the adjustment and the retro blue. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.